Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make one of my favorite types of ice cream. Now this is the mint and chalk ice cream. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So here are the ingredients. We are going to use about 150 grams of mint syrup, 200 grams of whipped cream, 230 grams of fresh milk, about 90 grams of sugar, and I've got here some chocolate chips. This amount depends on your taste. I'll get a large bowl and come in with my milk. Next, I will come in with my whipped cream, the sugar. I'll give it a good mix to dissolve the sugar. And finally, I will come in with my mint syrup. I'll give it the final mix. Now it's ready to go into the ice cream maker. So as you can see, I'm using my DeLonghi Gelato ice cream maker. I've done a full review of this ice cream machine in my other video. I have the link in the description box. I'll pour my mixture into the ice cream maker. I will cover it up and start the machine. This will take about 30 to 40 minutes to be ready. Now I've got the American quantity conversion in the description box, you can check it out. It's been after about 20 minutes and as you can see, it's coming out great. So it's been after about 30 minutes, so I'll open this up and come in with my chocolate chips. And I'll let it work for about 10 more minutes. So it's been a full 40 minutes and our ice cream is ready. Just get it out into a bowl. Scoop part of this into my ice cream bowl. Ladies and gentlemen, you are invited. Now this is my latest favorite ice cream flavor. I prefer and love to do this at home because I can regulate what I put in, especially the amount of sugar. So I hope you did enjoy this and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me with that big fat thumbs up and don't forget to share this with family and friends. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.